This is NAMAL, located in district Mianwali near Rikhi. This place is surrounded by Potohar Hills on one side and a beautiful lake supported by a dam built in 1913 on the other. The road in front of you is Talagang Mianwali Road. It connects to Islamabad and Lahore through motorway, and going towards Mianwali, it connects all the way to Waziristan and tribal areas and eventually Karachi through Indus Highway.
When I saw this wilderness, I imagined a knowledge city. The sort of knowledge city like Oxford University, where I went to and which inspired me. And hence you see NAMAL College, which in my opinion is the beginning, inshallah, of the biggest knowledge city in Pakistan. The land stretches for miles and miles ahead in this wilderness, where I hope there will be medical schools, there will be engineering schools, there will be textile schools. It will become the center of education in Pakistan in a beautiful environment where you have a lake, where the students will have recreation, and then you see the salt range, one of the oldest rock structures in Pakistan with the oldest historical monuments lying up in these ranges. And of course then there's this road which goes all the way to Islamabad, and the other way it goes to the Indus Highway and also to the tribal areas of Pakistan, specifically Waziristan.
Mr. Imran Khan understood the employment issues of the youth of this area, so he initiated a technical college in 2005. Later, when he was awarded the chancellorship of University of Bradford in UK, he decided to utilize this opportunity to convert this whole area into the largest knowledge city of Pakistan. The first building in this picture is NAMAL College. It was inaugurated in April 2008. Chaired by Mr. Imran Khan, NAMAL Education Foundation now owns 1,000 acres of land, and it is rapidly expanding its land holding up to 3,000 acres. The proposed master plan includes an academic block that includes 7 dedicated academic buildings for each discipline and a residential block to house hostelites, faculty, and their families. All construction is carefully planned to make sure that the natural beauty of the site is kept intact and is fully helpful in giving a comfortable environment to students and faculty. To give some feel of how the area will inshallah look like in few years, let us now take you inside the proposed master plan. Facing the NAMAL College, which is on the left of the hill, we enter into the academic block. As there is a pathway between the existing building and the last building of the academic block, which would be our central library. As we slowly move back from the central library, you can see the academic buildings. School of Humanities and Social Sciences, School of Mechanical Engineering, School of Industrial Engineering, and School of Electrical Engineering. And on the other side of the pathway going towards Central Library, you can view Science and Technology Park, School of Environmental Sciences, School of Agriculture, and the Jamia Mosque. Let us now move around the hill and show the proposed residential block to you. Here we are pleased to show you the clustered houses, an innovative concept designed by our architects for the pleasant living of the faculty. The terraced houses are designed to capture the cooling effect of the lakeside breeze in the house, making them energy efficient. All the buildings and infrastructure are designed to blend with the actual terrain. And on the back, you can see the boys' hostel near the Mianwali Talagang Road. Thank you very much for this virtual visit of NAMAL Knowledge City. We look forward to hosting you at the actual facility whenever you feel like visiting it. Please remember, your support is critical for us to meet this challenge of building this largest knowledge city of Pakistan. NAMAL Knowledge City. Be a part in cultivating the youth of Pakistan.
To make this dream come true, I need your help. I need the help of people of Pakistan, just as they helped me in building Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital. Countries are built on knowledge cities. Knowledge cities provide the intellectual and technical base for a country to become a developed country. For Pakistan to fulfill its potential, this project must succeed, and I want your help.